Everybody, welcome back to Disturbing Creations Auto. And if you've ever had a problem with you turn the heat on in your Ranger and it's just not blowing, or you turn the heat on and it's cold, but you know you have coolant, everything else is working. It's either the resonator isn't working, the little piece, or if the air isn't working, then it's the blower motor. And I'm going to show you where that's at. It's a simple fix. Now, I like to do one extra step just to make sure that I can get everything out and do it correctly, but you might not have to, but I would advise you to do the step that I'm telling you to do. So right here on the passenger side is going to be your blower motor, and this is the resistor here. So what I did was I took the container out, and it's very easy to take out. So you got one bolt here, one bolt here, one bolt here, and there was one down here. Now I know the room was about this much room. So if you need to see that video of how to get out your coolant and washing fluid reservoir, go into our Ranger playlist and it'll show you how to get this out first, because there's another step before you get this out. You have to take the air box out. So it could be a little difficult if this thing won't come out enough to get this out, and then you're going to be right here where I'm at. Now, the first thing I did after I got right here is I removed this little hose that goes on here, and I just pulled it out, you know. Then you're going to, for the blower, you're going to disconnect this wiring here and move that aside, and you're going to take this out. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure you get 4. Make sure you get this hidden one underneath here. Don't try to pry this out after taking 3 and then you bend the shield and this wasn't the problem. You know what I mean? You have to take this piece off and these 2 little. Now the resonator, you should be able to get underneath. There is a wheel well here, but the wheel well is under. You might be able to get your hand in here to get these 2 bolts and then kind of fiddle this out. I don't think you're going to be able to get this out without taking this box out. Let me take these 2 pieces out and then show you kind of what they look like. All right, so I just went and got the part and I kind of just eyeballed it up where it's supposed to be here, you know, if it was locked in. And this will not come out. Now the resonator fell down in there. It will come out. You see you have room to get the sensor out down there. It's still connected to the sensor. I have to pull that out still. This will not come out. So you need to take the airbox out, take this out, watch the video on how to take this out, because I show you real quick how to pop the airbox out. Super easy. So this is the blower motor, and it's the exact same kind of fan blower that's in your house to heat your house, where how it spins through a tunnel system. And then here's the hookup, and then the plastic, and the metal is a part of the blower. It's not just a shield. Now, with the resonator, I'm so glad that I did this to show you guys, because look, mine is so rusted that it's not even connected. Now, usually one of the little transmitter here, or whatever it's called, or one of these springs will pop, but mine was just rusted and it broke off. It's not working, but it's so rusted that in the back it came out. It would never work. Even if I fix this piece, now you have to splice in a new pigtail because it's got rusted. I left it go so much that it rusted all the way through the back. You don't want that to happen. But if this does happen to you, you have to buy another resonator. And then I would look for a used piece of wiring harness and then just cut these and re-splice it back in. Because even if you put the new one on, it's never going to work right. Don't try to stick this back in there. Don't try to pull this out and refix this piece of the harness that's stuck to this resonator. It's just never going to work. So I would cut this like at least 2 or 3 inches back, because if damage to the wire is here, then that means it's traveled through. You see how brown it is down here where it's rotten inside the plastic? You don't want this to catch on fire just to try to save a few bucks. It's not worth it. You see the wiring down in there that's rotten? Not worth it. So I would cut this all the way down to here, 2 or 3 inches, and then I would buy another little piece of the harness or hit a junkyard or something. If you buy the dealership's going to tell you need a whole new wiring harness, but don't fall for that. Just get the piece that you need, splice it in, buy the new resonator, and you'll be good to go, I promise you. If you have any questions about this is the perfect time to leave it down in my comments section, and somebody will get back to you and tell you, you know, hey, like do this, this is how you connect it, this is how you fix the wiring, this is how you do that. We will help you out, okay? All right, so I hope this helps somebody, save some money. You could do this stuff yourself. You're going to save tons of money. I'd rather work on my car a couple of hours and save $200, $300, $400 than take it to the dealership and I'm sitting at the house for 2-3 hours doing nothing, maybe cutting my grass or something. But if I save $300, I could pay someone $20 to cut the grass, and then I still have $280, $300. So let's get this done. Let's do it right. Let's be good mechanics. Let's fix our stuff the way it's supposed to be fixed and not catch our stuff on fire. All right, guys, if you like this video, give us a like and subscribe. I got to get more of this Ranger done, make more videos for you guys, sell more parts, and then put more money into our shop because our Z4 is sitting. We need more money for our Z4. Now, if you guys like these videos, please leave us a like and a subscribe. I'm really trying to grow the channel. I'm getting like 15,000 views a month, but I'm only getting 30 subscribers. Like, I know you might come to my channel and I just have to do this quick thing on my car. I'm gonna get this video. But we're gonna have 20 videos at least of tearing this Ranger down. So if you own a Ranger, you came to my channel to get something, just subscribe. It's not gonna hurt you. If you don't wanna see the other cars that we're working on, just turn off notifications. But then you're still on the channel. You're still helping me because I helped you to save money, build your confidence, and fix your vehicle for free. And you never know. What if we come out with another Ranger video in a week and you're like, oh my God, my Ranger just broke down again. I got to go search the web and look for a video. Psh, that's right. Damien's got all these vehicles that he works on. So do us a favor, hit us up. Doesn't cost you anything. Please subscribe. Help us grow the channel. Have a good day, guys.